Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen Ahmed and today we're making Sabudhana Khichdi. Now Sabudhana is basically sago pearls or tapioca pearls, and recently in North America, tapioca pearls have made a huge comeback in bubble tea. It's basically tapioca pearls that soaks up all of the liquid. But in India, we've been using tapioca pearls for generations in different recipes, both savory and sweet. We also get them in different sizes. Today we're making a Sabudhana Khichdi, and a Khichdi really just means kind of like a stir fry or a hodgepodge of things. This is a savory dish that you can serve at breakfast or anytime. I'm going to add potatoes and onions and spices and then cook the tapioca in it till those pearls turn nice and translucent. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I upload a ton of videos every week, so make sure that you're subscribed. And also ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. I have 2 cups here of sago or tapioca pearls, and it's also called sabudhana in parts of India. These need to be soaked in equal quantities of cold water for about 3 to 5 hours. You want to make sure that you're not adding too much water than the measurement of the sago, as it can get too mushy if it's over soaked. Once done, you need to rinse this under cold water and then just leave it aside to drain. In a pan, add some oil and add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And once this gets nice and fragrant in the hot oil, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of finely diced onion. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of fresh curry leaves. Now this is incredibly fragrant. You can probably find curry leaves in an Indian store, but if you can't find them, just leave them out. Next, I'm going to add 1 green chili that I diced. This is roughly about a tablespoon. Give this a good saute. I'm also going to be adding a 1/4 cup of peanuts. Now these are especially popular in Maharashtra. They give the dish a really great taste and crunch. Next, I'm going to add some powdered spices. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. I'm going to mix this in, and I'm going to add a cup of shallow fried potato cubes that I fried earlier. The sago has had enough time to drain, and it's now ready to soak in all of those flavors. I'm just going to add this in and I'm going to saute it. As you can see, it doesn't take much time to pick up all of that beautiful color from the turmeric and the chili. I'm just going to try this one for doneness. I'm also going to taste for salt, and I'm going to add salt to taste. Give this a good saute. Add a few tablespoons of water just so the sago doesn't burn, but it also creates some steam to cook the tapioca. This is now done. I'm going to finish off with a 1/4 cup of chopped coriander. This is absolutely delicious and ready to eat. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Sabudhana Khichdi. It's one of my favorites. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, guys. You share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. And also ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And follow me on all my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. I love to hear from you, so make sure you leave me a comment below. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.